Namaste everyone. In this video we will see how you can keep track of all your works. Okay, so you can keep track of all your works by writing it in on a paper and keep it in your pocket. And the second one is, now everybody has the smartphone. If they have it on their screen, if someone is telling them, or whenever they see the phone, they will be reminded with all these works, so that they will not miss any of the works which they need to do during that day. Okay, to do this one, so you need to do two things. Okay, one is install one application in your smartphone, that is a project management tool which is called Asana. That is the first step. The second step is, you need to add a widget, Asana widget, in your home screen. So I am using the Realme phone and I have added that. I'll show you how you can add that. Okay, so first we will see how you can add the Asana app from the Google Play Store. So you need to go to the Google Play Store and search for Asana. Okay, so then it will show you the one project management app which you need to install it. So this is the app. Okay, you can see the logo and all. So I already installed it, and I will open that and show you. So this is the app. Okay, so here you need to create the project which I already created, and under that one, so there will be sub items like India web deals, useful tips blog, daily works, nature products, and blogging. So now I went into the daily works project, and here I can add the task. Okay, so if I click on the plus symbol, then it will ask recording 1. Okay, I created. So now this is done. This you can manage it by using the app, but every time you won't open the app, right? So for that, what you need to do is, you need to add the widget. Okay, so to add the widget, you need to, on the home screen, you have to long press in any place, so that you will add the you will get the widget screen. Let me remove this existing one, so that we will see how we can add the Asana widget. Okay, so you can observe in the screen, on the screen, recording 1 just got added, which we have added recently. Okay, so I am just closing that widget. I am clicking on the widgets, scrolling through, looking for Asana. Yes, you can see that on the first one. So now it is asking which one I need to select as a workspace. I selected HCT, and I am clicking on the daily works, which I wanted to keep that. Okay, and if you long press on that widget, you can extend the size so that it will display all the list of items for you, which I am doing right now. So now you can see that. Okay, so this is added on my mobile home screen. So this will remind me always what are all the things which I need to do, and I can scroll through that. Okay, so this will be very handy for the people who wanted to um, complete their activities on that particular day. You can add the task also from here. That will take you to the Asana. You can add recording 3. Okay, recording 3. Okay, now we are creating. so which got added, and if you come to the home screen you will see recording 3. This task got added. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helps. Please share this with your friends and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.